Now, this is how you can find the Facebook Reels on your iPad Pro or essentially any kind of iPad. Let's get started. If you're new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button so you will never miss anything important. Now, you need to ensure that your Facebook runs the latest version of the app, so you can go to the App Store and look up the Facebook app to see if an update is available. If there is, ensure it's updated. Then just open up the app, ensure that you are signed in and everything is ready, and alongside the tab bar, you should be able to find the Reels section right there. So it is indicated by, a little icon of like film icon or whatever that is, but you just need to click on there and you can immediately start scrolling through the available videos and the Reels right there. If not, you can click on the menu option, and from the available things and like sections, you might want to find the Reels there as well. That is for the situation where you do not see them right away at the tab bar below. But you can also just find it somewhere else, like if you come across a video on your feed, you might try to expand it and it might actually be a reel itself, so you can just scroll through the other videos which show up after it. So as you can see, there are more ways how you can find the section. Let me know if you managed to do it. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.